Disney Junior Portuguese TV channel. Disney Junior is a Portuguese pay television channel aimed mainly at children between 2 and 7 years of age. It replaced the Disney Cinemagic channel in 2012. Along with the new channel, Disney launched Disney Movies on Demand service on Zioin. On the 25th of March, an HD feed was launched on the TV operator Emio. Current and former programming: Animal Mechanicals, Art Attack, Bear in the Big Blue House, Bluey, Bunatown, Calamero, Cars Tunes, Matters Tall Tales, Chip and Dale's Nutty Tales, Claude, Connie the Cow, Disney Junior Music Nursery Rhymes, Disney Junior Ready for Preschool, Disney Tsum Tsum, DJ Melodies, Doc McStuffins, The Doc Files, Lena of Avalor, Fancy Nancy, Gigantosaurus, Goldie and Bear, Henry Huggle Monster, Handy Manny, D Manny, It's Unbelievable, Jungle Junction, Jake and the Neverland Pirates, Lights, Camera, Lexi, The Lion Guard, Little Einsteins, Little Red Tractor, Mickey and the Roadster Racers, Mickey Mouse Mixed Up Adventures, Mickey Mouse Hot Diggity Dog Tales, Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Marvel Superhero Adventures, Messages from Miles, Miles from Tomorrowland, Mission Force One, Mini Adventures of Winnie the Pooh, Minnie's Bow Tunes, Mira Royal Detective, Mauk, Muppet Babies, Zig Babies, Muppet Babies, Show and Tell, Nina Needs to Go, Octonauts, Sistonauts, Caprica, PB&J Otter, PJ Masks, PJ Masks Music Video, PJ Masks Shorts, Postman Pat, Puppy Dog Pals, Sheriff Callie's Wild West, Special Agent Oso, Sophia the First, TOTS, The Jungle Book, The Rocketeer, Trolley Tales, Vampirina, Sue Woo Woo, References, Zequels,